In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Yahoo Mail if forgot password. First, open the Yahoo sign-in page. You can do this by typing in the URL in your web browser. The sign-in page is where you'll start the process. It's important to have the correct page open to ensure you're entering your information securely. When you reach the page, you will see the familiar Yahoo logo and fields for your email and password. This is your starting point for regaining access to your account. Make sure to check that the URL begins with HTTPS, which indicates a secure connection. Next, enter your Yahoo email address. This is the email you use to create your Yahoo account. Carefully input your email to avoid any typos, as this could lead to issues later when you try to recover your password. The field is typically located at the top of the sign-in page. Once you enter your email, take a moment to double-check it. This small verification step can prevent unnecessary frustration later on. Once you are sure it is correct, you can move on to the next step. Now click Next. This button is usually located under the email entry field. By clicking Next, you prompt Yahoo to proceed with the next phase of the login process. If you've entered your email address correctly, you will be directed to the page where you can recover your password. This is a crucial step as it transitions you from entering your email towards recovering access to your account. After clicking Next, wait a moment for the page to load. After that, click Forgot Password. This link can typically be found beneath the password entry field. By selecting this option, you signal that you need help accessing your account due to a forgotten password. This step is designed to provide you with various recovery options. It's essential to follow this path to ensure you can reset your password correctly. Once you click this link, you will be directed to a page with options for recovering your account. From there, choose a recovery method. You will typically see options for a recovery phone number or a recovery email address. Select the option that works best for you. If you have access to your recovery phone, it may be the quickest method. Alternatively, if you prefer to use your recovery email, that's also a valid choice. This selection is important because it determines how you will receive the verification code needed to reset your password. Once you make your choice, be ready to proceed. Next, click Continue. This button will advance you to the next step. After you click Continue, Yahoo will send a verification code to the recovery method you selected. This step is critical as it helps to verify your identity. You will need this code to proceed with resetting your password. Make sure to check your phone or email for the verification code before moving on. Now enter the verification code you receive. This code is typically a series of numbers sent to your phone or email depending on what you selected earlier. Carefully input the code into the designated field. This is a crucial step in ensuring that you are the rightful owner of the account. Double-check the digits to avoid any mistakes, as an incorrect code will prevent you from moving forward. Once you have entered the code, you can proceed to the next step. Click Verify. This button confirms that you have entered the correct verification code. Once you click it, Yahoo will check the code you provided. If it is correct, you will be taken to the next step of the password recovery process. This verification is essential for ensuring the security of your account. If you see a message confirming that the code is valid, you are on the right track. Create a new password. Choose a strong password that is difficult to guess. It should include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. A strong password is crucial for keeping your account secure. Take your time to come up with something unique. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access in the future. Once you input your new password, ensure that you can remember it or write it down in a secure location. Finally, click Continue. This will save your new password and complete the recovery process. After clicking Continue, you will see a confirmation message indicating your password has been successfully changed. This confirmation is reassuring as it confirms that your changes have been saved. With your new password set, you are now ready to sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Sign in using your new password. Go back to the Yahoo sign-in page and enter your email address and the new password you just created. This final step is where you regain access to your account. If everything is correct, you'll be logged in successfully. Congratulations, you have completed the process of logging into Yahoo Mail after forgetting your password.